here we are.
Oh my gosh, you know, this is scary.
Have you ever been in a Nissan before?
No.
Do you want rolling anti-lag or roll into it?
I have absolutely no preference.
Oh, we're getting pulled over. Welcome back. Rich took a big hiatus. He retired from his job and then also retired from YouTube. And people were asking like what happened to Rich, and I was like, I don't know. I hadn't seen him for like 2 months, but we did have really bad weather. Howdy guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hope all of you are having a great day. Today is going to be a fun one. It was certainly a fun one to film. I hope it's a fun one to watch. Today is the GTR reaction video, including neighbor Rich. Now, when I got this car, and I did my first pull, before you guys were all asking for it, but before you guys were even asking for it, I thought to myself, I gotta get Rich in this car. Now, if you don't know, neighbor Rich is and he's got a YouTube channel. He is my 70-year-old, I shouldn't say that, he is my 40-year-old, he is 70. My 70-year-old neighbor, but he's a high energy guy. He has a C8 Z06, which is a fast car in its own right. But yeah, he's a high energy, fun guy, and he tends to give good reaction. So let's see how he did in the car, as well as Gina and her friend Maddie. I think it's a really good combo of people because Gina and Rich are used to my cars and fast cars. Gina daily drives an Urus, Rich has the C7Z, and they both have ridden in all of my, big power vehicles. So they kind of know about it. And then Maddie has never been in anything. So it's a good mix of like people that are used to fast cars, and you'll see how they react, and also somebody who has never been in anything faster than maybe like 400 horsepower at the most. All right, boys, a quick reminder, our dual giveaway is live, but it's only up for 10 days and then it's gone forever, much like the Ram T-Rex, which has been canceled by Ram. I know it sucks, but if you want a new one, this is your last year to get one, and you can get that one just getting a t-shirt, a key tag, a sticker, hot sauce, sunglasses, whatever it might be that you get. It could win you that truck and 30 Gs or the Denali and 50 Gs or both. You get automatically entered for both trucks with any item on 717supply.com. So don't wait, hit the link down below. 10x entries is live as well, and there will not be a bigger entry multiplier than that throughout the 10 days. So again, don't wait, hit the link, change your life forever, get entered for both trucks automatically, and good luck. Don't be scared, it's only a Nissan Altima.
I know. My problem is,
not fast.
Like, I've never been scared of your other cars, really. It's always just been fun. And then you took me out in the Viper, and that's when things, like, that was my first car I was ever like, I don't want to get in that.
That was kind of scared. Okay.
I'm not myself for this video right now. I'm being really, like, just...
You're nervous.
I'm just not myself. Like, if this was for the family channel vlog and we were just having a fun day, I think even I would be talking different. I hate everything about this right now.
But it's not that crazy.
What number are we doing?
We're doing 6.
No.
It goes to 9.
Oh my God.
We're not doing 9. Should we do rolling anti-lag is the question, or just roll into it? Do you want to get hit all at once, or do you want to roll into it? Roll into it. Okay.
No. I don't want to do any of it.
Okay. It's like a roller coaster.
That's why I don't want to do it.
Like even that feels kind of quick.
Like if any of the viewers are familiar with Hershey Park Storm Runner, I can do any roller coaster with that. Like I'll get on it, but I do not enjoy it. It's too much.
This is more fun and faster. This is significantly faster than Storm Runner.
I don't want to do this.
Ready?
No. It gets crazy at the end. I'm like, oh, this isn't that bad. But then it gets bad.
Well, you wanted to roll on, so we rolled on. Oh my God.
We go so fast past the cars.
Oh my God, I'm shaking. Again, so I love it. God, that's fun.
But I didn't have to be that scared. It always ends up being fun. Like, oh my God. I want to see the Urus next to it just to like bring me back down to earth.
You're like this. It would look like you were in reverse.
Sad. I had to text my gals.
Oh, we're getting pulled over.
I'm like gripping this so bad. Can you explain to her what you did and you didn't do that to me earlier?
For Gina, I said, what do you want? I was like, do you want rolling anti-lag, which is everything all at once, so it builds boost and then goes. And she was like, no. I was like, all right, so you want to roll into it? She was like, yeah. So I just rolled into it. So it was kind of like,
it was nothing.
It was a gradual build-up of power. That was anti-lag. So in other words, it lets you build all the boost, and then as soon as I let go of this button,
I feel like that's so unfair you did that to her. Oh my god.
That was
Well, I don't want to do it
I was
again.
not expecting it to like push me that much.
Did you?
Maddie did pretty good. No, it's on.
Oh.
You were pretty quiet though. You didn't really yell.
I was a little bit scared.
I wonder what her face would be.
I don't want to see.
I really don't want to do it again, Michael.
I kind of do. I hate it so much.
Oh my god.
I get so scared seeing the car in front too.
I'm glad you're looking because I'm not. Oh my god.
All right, so that's it. We can be done. All right, babe. Final thoughts. What do you think?
Well, right now I'm thinking, I can't believe we put Maddie through that.
Yeah, Maddie, thank you so much. We just basically said, hey, do you want to go for a ride real quick? And
I'm innocent
put her
here.
on the spot.
I didn't think that you
It
were
was
going to
mine,
do the extra.
The anti-lag.
Oh my god, I didn't know you were going to do that, and it's so much worse. Like, I've been in so many cars, and that's already scary enough. I've never reacted that way to a car being that fast.
It's definitely worse.
And this was
Way more
Maddie's like
intense.
first fast car ever being in.
This is the big one, guys. When I did the first pull, I said, I gotta get Rich in the car. You guys were all asking for it. Here we are.
Oh my gosh. You know, this is scary.
it.
Every time I get in a car with you, I never know what to expect.
But I haven't killed you yet. We haven't
This
died.
is true. This is
so
true. That's an important
I have a
point.
good track record.
Yes, you do. Yeah, yes, you do. So let's get this party started.
All right, so I already said on Rich's vlog, but I'm recording as well, so I wanted to say welcome back. Rich took a big hiatus. He retired from his job and then also retired from YouTube. And people were asking, like, what happened to Rich? And I was like, I don't know. I hadn't seen him for like 2 months, but we did have really bad weather. You want to see Rich? He is uploading. Can we expect consistent uploads again, or maybe spotty?
You know, it's too.
People want to know.
It's too soon into the new year to come up with.
Okay.
You know, I'll try. I'll say that. Okay. All
Well,
right.
people were worried.
Okay.
So
I'm glad
he is
people
back.
were worried,
He's here.
and I am back. So let's go.
All right, buddy. Are you
I'm gonna
ready?
hear this start.
It's not loud. It's not like, you know, it's not crazy.
Yeah.
It's only a banger.
I know, but it's got the
It's
twin
only
turbo.
a V6. Have you ever been in a Nissan before at all?
No.
Are you a Nissan Japanese car guy?
Oh, am I a not? Nah. You know what? I mean, honestly,
You do daily drive one.
I do daily drive
Yeah.
Japanese car, and
it's a
way back when,
hybrid.
you know, I used to have Celicas and stuff way back back in the day. So I mean, they were fun cars, and there's no question they know what they're doing. They really can put out some horsepower.
Now,
and
we know you are more of an American car guy like myself.
I am.
I just wanted to ask if you like it.
Do I like the sound?
Honestly didn't that much. Like, I always appreciated the Supras and the GTRs back in the day, but I gotta tell you, after driving it, kind of a fan.
I mean, does this sound like a V8?
No.
And does it sound like even a nice Lamborghini, you know, like your SVJ? No, absolutely not.
It's true.
You know, so am I a big fan? Not really a big fan, but I mean, honestly, it's respect. Because you know what? They really can do some things right. They really can pump some horsepower and really make some awesome cars.
For a V6, you're going to be like, holy crap.
Yeah. What do you call it? It's
maps.
Yeah, they're called maps.
Different maps, different tunes on the car. You can go all the way from 1. I believe it's 1 or 0 is rear drive only.
Oh,
and that's for burnout, so you can't really drive it in that.
Oh, that makes sense.
The car,
that makes sense.
Yeah, and you can go all the way from 1 to 9. 9 is the everything. 9 is everything off.
Oh.
Like, just gives you everything all at once.
Wow.
So that's rowdy. We're gonna do 6. Our ethanol content is 71 right
71
now.
ethanol content?
Yeah, ethanol content 71. So we couldn't even do really 7 or up.
The full maps.
Right, so we'll do 6.
Yeah, it's not high enough in the...
Yeah, not quite enough E in the car, sadly. We've got that winter blend right now.
Yep.
But I think you'll like 6. That's still more power than any car I've had.
Wow.
I won't say exactly how much it makes on 6, but Like it'll be slightly faster than your daily driver Accord.
Okay.
Not
my
much,
daily
but
Accord. My
yeah.
Accord.
What do you have, an Accord? Is it an Accord?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, it is an Accord. I was gonna say, did I get it wrong?
I thought you were gonna say it's gonna be slightly faster than my Z06, and I was gonna be like, okay, I expect that, but
No.
you know, no, you're saying
Just the Accord.
that my Accord. Yeah,
Yeah.
that Accord can get out there. It
Yeah,
really can.
I've
Yeah,
seen it.
it's-
I've heard it. You know, I've heard it making them hybrid noises. Do you want rolling anti-lag or roll into it?
I have absolutely no preference. So whatever you're more comfortable with, and whatever
Okay.
you think will be more fun, let's do it. And I think Mike's getting ready to do his first pull here. That is terrifying. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh my God!
I swore I wasn't gonna do the oh my gosh again,
We
but
did the
look
rolling
at it.
anti-lag on him.
Oh my goodness!
What'd you think?
That is incredible!
That was sick.
That is sick as
Oh
right.
my God.
This, oh man. Okay, you can take me back now.
The rolling anti-lag is stupid.
That is just crazy.
Oh my God.
What a pull. Oh my goodness. You know, I never thought anything would pull harder than your ZR1. I really didn't. I honestly, I thought that's the fastest car I've ever been in. Fastest car I'll probably ever be in. And I think you just
Well, be honest, is it even close?
changed my mind.
Is it even close?
This blows that away.
Yeah, because to me it's like, it's
I mean,
not
honestly,
even.
it's not. No, it's not.
And we're being honest, it's not even close. Like this is twice as fast, I think.
This is really, really fast. When you get to do a Pocono run with this, that's
Yeah.
going to be really exciting.
I think this could do a legit 200.
Yeah.
Or close.
Yeah, it's
We'll
going to
see.
get close, I bet. I bet it will. Wow.
Now, if I start at 100 like I did with the ZR1, just trying to see what it can do, definitely over 200.
Yeah.
So we'll do a roll on this time.
All right.
Just kind of roll into it.
All right. So we're just going to roll into it. Gee, my knees. You feel like you've taken off into space. This is incredible. Man.
Oh, it's wild.
It is terrifying. I agree 100%. This is more wild than I ever would have expected. I'm serious. I should have guessed it from your screaming like a little girl in your video.
Oh, I love this. Like I actually have to contain myself because I don't want to do, I feel like I'll break the car. But if I did this as much as I wanted to, I would do 400 a day. Like that's how much I like it, and it's fun.
Man, I'll tell you what, this is amazing. Highly recommended if you ever get the chance. Wow. And there's some
What's up,
dudes.
man?
Hey guys, hey dudes. You were right. When you said terrifying, I thought you got to be kidding me because you've
That's
been in some
fast.
fast cars.
Yeah.
You've been driving a while. You know what I mean? You do pulls all the time. You race people all the time. I am really.
This is like a really fast car.
Oh yeah. Heck yeah, this is. Oh my gosh, it is.
All right, boys. Well, back at home, safe and sound, and now fully detailed after that horrible drive home in the blizzard. This poor car was covered in salt and snow and dirt, and I drove it like that because I didn't have time to get it detailed in between making those videos, but now she is looking good. And one more little thing we gotta do. There are other things too, but one more thing to add is I think this has to go on the car at some point, and that will happen. But I love this car. Hope you guys enjoyed watching that. It was really fun to make, of course, and yeah, I like this car a lot. And you know, I'll be honest, I didn't know. I was willing to try something different, and a GTR is very different from anything I've had, but I wasn't sure if I'd like it. I really like it. It's good. It's just good. It's really fast, and it drives comfy and normal. Like, it's everything I like in a fast car. You guys know I am always talking about that. I like cars that can be a daily and a race car, and there is nothing besides being a little bit jerky at low speeds with the cam tune and maybe a little more high strung, like you really wouldn't know. And that is pretty darn impressive when you think about how fast this car actually is. It's very normal. Look at the inside. Like, you would not really know. So I like it a lot. I really do. And I am pumped for racing season. Never thought I'd like a Nissan this much, to be honest. I knew I'd like the speed, but I actually like it a lot as a car. So, and the anti-lag is a different story. Like rolling onto it versus using the anti-lag, it's pretty wild. And we turned it up a little bit for those runs, a little more. But I'm not telling y'all how much it actually makes, because where's the fun in that? Now that we got those uploads out of the way, the first drive, testing the anti-lag, the reactions, I think it's time to race. Mexico and race season coming up shortly. So hope y'all enjoyed this one. If you did, give this upload a big thumbs up. Take care and have a great night. And of course, don't forget to enter for the Ram T-Rex and Denali Ultimate giveaway. 10 days total. I think by the time you see this, there will only be like 4 or 5 days left. So don't wait, hit the link. 10x entries is live. Change your life forever and get a truck just like mine. Good luck.